Okay, it's the next day and I have this stencil, my acrylic markers. I'm gonna try and make like a wood grain kind of look on here.
Silent hunters in the moonlight they soar. Eyes like shimmering stars, gleaming bright galore. Graceful feathers painted in shades of the night. Majestic flight, taking us to new heights. Whispering secrets from the depth of the trees, guiding us through darkness with enchanted ease. Wise guardians of the secrets untold, with wisdom they hold the universe's mold. Midnight wings soaring through the sky, beautiful house with the moon as their guide, majestic creatures.
Okay, it's later the same day and this is cured enough that I'm going to take it out of the mold because I want to cut off any excess before it gets too hard. So there's the bottom piece, and I have my scissor here so I can just cut any little excess off before it becomes an issue, because I want to make sure this fits in here, as this one is a gift. So my little owls, they're on there good, no problem. So I've gotten a lot of use out of this mold. I really do like it. And well, I'd say this one's one of my favorites. My mom really likes owls, so I made this for her. And she's been wanting one of these phone stands. Okay, so there's that little excess wherever I poured over. And I'm going to go over it also with my deburring tool, but I'm just getting the main larger excess off first. So Okay, this is pink purple, and this is about the how I want it to be. So I want it to stand about like that. So let's just try to keep it in that same direction. And I'm gonna just go underneath here and hit it with the light real quick. Go like that all the way across and hit it again. So here's the completed phone stand. I think it came out great, and I hope you do too. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I appreciate it, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.